So guys, without wasting any time, I guess we need to leave because I think it's almost 8:45 in the morning and we have to leave at 4 o'clock. Let's go. So guys, today we are gonna go to Alibag in India with two of my good YouTuber friends and this is gonna be fun. Looks like the sun hasn't rised yet. Of course, it's like 4 a.m. in the morning. How would even the sun rise? And as I was telling you earlier, I have two other friends with me, namely Boss YT Gaming and RRK Ninja.
Hello.
Oh, this is not that bad, but kind of average. Nope, I changed my opinion. This is worse. So we have arrived at Alibag, but our check-in was at 2 p.m. and we have 3 hours left. So yes, we ate our lunch. So now we have decided to go to Alibag beach before we visit our resort. Let's begin. This place is pretty crowdy. I guess we are gonna go soon. It's just the crowd here, but not there. Another fun fact that the beach will close at 3 o'clock because all the water does go down and doesn't come up till the 7 in the morning. This is so boring. Then, okay, bye. Finally, we have arrived at the resort / the villa after a long time of waiting. I think we should just get in without wasting any other time.
Let's go.
Ooh.
Thanks.
After a long time. This is so beautiful. Can't even wait. I just want to jump in. Amazing. I just want to jump in. But first, let me keep my bag. Aryan, look. Jet spray. I love this. So after the waiting of 9 hours, we are finally at the resort. I just enjoyed a little bit and I think it's the time for the room and the resort tour. Let's begin. Here are the lion-shaped door knuckles. Starting with some show water. Here it is. Here are some sitting areas. Water. More water. And now moving towards here, there are 2 rooms. One is this and other is this. Same is to that side. And now this side here is the main hallway. Entering, there is sofa and then pool table with some sitting arrangement, a small fridge, TV area and library with a dining table. This is my channel playing on the TV. The library, the main entrance, the second entrance, and now moving out towards the pool. This is our main pool which is currently being cleaned. This is the sitting area, the kitchen, the stairs which lead up to the first floor which have the, I don't know, the more rooms, and this is rubbish. So guys, I just came from swimming and just freshened up a bit, and I thought that I'll do a short room tour just now. So here you go. Starting with the entrance, these are all shoes, and then the TV cabinet with a shelf below, with my tripod, set-top box with all wires and remotes, dustbin, a tea area, the main bed, side table with all the cutleries, dressing table, cupboard, and then the bathroom. This room is not only mine, it is shared with RRK Ninja and Boss YT Gaming. And this is where our room is located. So guys, now we are leaving for the beach at noon. I think I'll see you there. So we have finally reached the destination, and I have found something amazing than a villa here. It's this. Look at its beauty. This is the real peace. I love to stay here. I know it is a bit crowdy, but it's okay for me. Amazing. And I also love this chindi cricket. So I guess I am tired of this chindi cricket, and I think I need to go. Also, it's too dark. So guys, I just came from the night swim, and it is so cold, and it has finally ended the first day of the trip. So I am excited for the next day. Surely this is going to be amazing. So guys, it's 2 o'clock and we are here. I just came from swimming and now we are going to have lunch. And before getting our lunch, I am here to tell you that we have found an insect in our room that was pretty big, you can see it. And then we decided to clean the whole room because we couldn't find him because he was alive and he ran away. And now our room looks like this. Look, so beautiful. Just like when we came. So guys, now we are going to one more beach. Like it's the third beach in our trip, but it's the main one because here we are going to do the main rides and stuff. So I am pretty excited. So we are at the beach and it's just like earlier, crowdy and good. Okay, so it's time for some rides. So guys, I just arrived from the beach and I just got all dirty because of the rides and I played on the beach. So I took a bath and here I am. It was so annoying, like 1 hour in that dirt. That's why I was not also able to just make a vlog. And one another thing that now I am going to a night swim and then I will do my lunch. So guys, it's been revealed that my birthday has been celebrated today on 14th of May instead of 19th May, but if you think about it, that makes sense. So guys, this is the last day of us in resort and I have just woke up and got ready, and this is so sad, like I was not even able to know how fast the days were. And now we are about to check out. This is so sad. I don't want to leave this. You are one of the best hotels. Okay, so where are we going next? Sorry, I wasn't able to record much because cameras weren't allowed inside, so I recorded some of these. So it's Snow Park plus Imagica, Snow Magica. So guys, this is my first snow look. Oh my god, this is much colder than expected. Guys, this is my first time in snow. So guys, this is the end of the vlog, and the trip was so amazing. Yeah, there were some bad things like the traveling and the bathroom, but still it was amazing. And here are some things that we did there which I didn't showed in the vlog. Look at this, what I have found. A Chhota Bheem themed ball.